how to download and install Coursera. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Coursera app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar. Search for Coursera. Select the first search result for Coursera. Tap on the install button. The Coursera app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now start using the Coursera app on your device. Simply tap open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use this e-learning platform. And boom, you have successfully learned how to download and install Coursera on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.